Hi guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a Vine O box to share with you. This is the Oh Ho Ho box. Yes, this is the holiday version. So this is going to be great for gifts, either for yourself because you deserve it, or for loved ones that you know like wine and pampering items. So I am super excited to see what is in this box. So Vine O is normally $59.99, but if you check out the description box, I have a referral link as well as any sort of promotional deals will be listed down there. They always have great promotional deals. So first thing in here is a box of goodies. Let's set this aside really quickly while we pull out the wines. So the wines, you can say, I would like 2 whites or 2 reds or a red and a white. They even have a sweet wine option, which I think is great. So I have a red and a white. This is a Speechless California Merlot. Sounds lovely. And a New Crush Pinot Grigio. Oh, I love Pinot Grigio. This is awesome. Okay, so let me set this aside. Now for the goodies. Oh, you guys, I'm already so excited. Okay, let's see. All right, these are the cards. The cards tell you all about the stuff, as well as they often have special offers down at the bottom. So say you get something in your box that you absolutely love, or you would love to give as a gift. They usually have some sort of like discount code or something like that down here. So I see some earrings. These are really cute. They're just like gold bars. Here, hang on, let me take them out so you can actually see them. Those are cute, right? You know, I'm gonna put these on right now. Might as well, right? Those are great. I love them. They're very simple but elegant looking. I love it. Okay, so these are EB&Co Simple Drop Earrings. The minimal design looks great for everyday wear and is exclusive to Vine O subscribers. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, and then the special offer down here gets you 15% off at ebandco.com. Okay, well those are beautiful. Starting off great. Okay, Bizz Weezy. This is gonna be something delicious. Oh, wow, okay. So it looks like chocolate, like, is this peppermint bark? Yes, and then this one is different. Is this marshmallows? Oh my gosh, you guys. Let's see. Yep, Bizz Weezy Confections Chocolate Bark. Each box includes the 2 flavors of marshmallow crunch and peppermint bark. Perfect for that wine and chocolate craving. And they're both dark chocolate, which I think goes really amazing with a nice red wine. You guys, I'm gonna save these for later. I can't wait to eat these though. Yum. Ooh, Laura Geller Iconic New York Collection Uptown Chic Eyeshadows. Okay, it's like a plastic case, a big old mirror. Ooh, I love these colors. Look at these, aren't these beautiful? I love rosy tones like this. Manhattan-inspired matte and shimmer shadows that will easily blend to define your eyelids. This is really beautiful, lovely. And Laura Geller, I have tons of stuff from Laura Geller. I really like her products. And then this is what first caught my eye. Oh, the fuzzies are all stuck to it. Look at these socks, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear these so often. I love this kind of thing. So these are, you know, fuzzy socks, you guys. I mean, you can tell, right? You can see this. Oh, I wanna put them on right now. Hang on, let me find the information. Northpoint Sherpa socks. And the designs will vary. They show 4 different designs up here. Okay, I'm gonna put these on. I love them. They look like stockings. Like, you know, I could hang this at my fireplace. Oh my gosh, oh, they're so fuzzy. I like the design that I got too. The black and red and white with little reindeers and snowflakes. I love these. They're my favorite. And then this is, oh, okay, so Wine Winks tea towel. Box wine? No, it's Cardbordeaux. Oh boy. Oh, who doesn't love a terrible pun? It's just a nice, you know, little towel. This is great, I love it. What an amazing box. Lots of fun and wonderful things. I can't wait to sit around in my fuzzy socks and eat these chocolates. with my fabulous wines. So I will leave all of the information in the description box, as well as any sort of discounts, promotional codes, that sort of a thing. I love Vino boxes. I always look forward to them every season that they come out, and I'm sure that anybody you would give this to would be so delighted, as well as just, you know, get it for yourself because it's awesome and I love it. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!